If you've ever looked into trading, you've probably noticed two things pretty quickly. One, most people make it sound way more complicated than it needs to be. And two, the moment you stop paying attention, everything seems to fall apart. So the question isn't really, can trading work? It's, can it work without taking over your life? Most trading systems assume you can sit in front of charts all day. They assume you'll always know when to buy, when to sell, and how to stay calm when money's on the line. And for most people, that just isn't real life. You've got work, you've got responsibilities, and the last thing you want is another job that lives inside your phone or a laptop. So instead of trying to make people better traders, we took a different approach. What if the decisions were handled by a system? What if trades were placed using clear rules, without guessing, emotions, or constant screen time? That's what this is. This is a software-based trading system that places trades automatically. It follows a small set of defined rules based on how price actually moves, not indicators flashing after the fact. The system handles entries, exits, and trade management for you. You don't need to watch charts all day. You don't need to guess when to buy or sell. And you don't need to trade full-time for this to work. This wasn't built overnight. The framework behind this system has been developed and refined for years, manually first, long before it was automated. The software simply does what the framework already proved could work, consistently. Nothing black box, nothing random, just a repeatable process. Now, let me be very clear about something. This is not guaranteed income. This is not get rich quick. And this is not something where you put money in and never think again. Trading always involves risk. What the system does is remove as much human error and emotional decision-making as possible and replace it with structure. This is for people who want trading to fit into their life, not take it over. People who value systems, rules, and long-term thinking. And people who are willing to learn the basics of how the system works, even though execution is automated. If you're looking for fast money or guarantees, this won't be a fit. If this sounds interesting, the next step is simple. You can book a short call to see if this actually makes sense for you. On that call, we'll walk through how the system works, answer your questions, and decide together if it's a fit. If it is, great. If it's not, that's fine too. You'll see a button below this video to book that call. Take a look, think it through, and only move forward if this feels aligned. No pressure, no hype, just clarity.